This is Master Theory, Book 1, Lesson 21. We're talking about eighth notes today. When you add a flag to the stem of a quarter note, and it becomes an eighth note. So eighth note comes in different types, different look. The one introduced here is the stem going up, right? There's also the other way, and remember the flag always going to the right. So when you have a stem coming down, when the notes are higher on a staff, your flag still going to the right. It doesn't go this way. That's a no, okay? In the future, you'll have 16 notes, you'll have more flags possibly. So no matter how many flags, they always go to the right side, all right, even when the stem goes down, all right? So, but today we are talking about eighth note. And for eighth note, if you have more than one here, when you have two or more eighth notes on next to each other, you can tie the flags together based on what kind of time signature they have. So for example, if you have 1 and 2 and like, supposedly 4 of them in a row, you can tie them like, not tie them, they can put them, group them, put them in a group like this way. If you are in a 4-4, you can group it that way as well. So the beats under the eighth notes may be written like 1 and, so your foot goes 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 3 and like this. So when you write the beats in this book, you're gonna add and or and, or sometimes I just write a plus sign when I need to write a lot of them. So I'm gonna use and as a plus sign, but always follow instruction. If you take the exam, here's an exercise here. In a staff below, put 4 eighth note and 1 quarter note in the first measure. So 4 eighth note and 1 quarter note. I'm gonna write a group of 2 notes like this. 1 quarter note. Okay. Number 2, put 6 eighth note in the second measure. So it's gonna be 1, 2. I wanted to write the same similar direction. Then you're gonna group it like that. Try not to write individual flag. It's not wrong, but it's not gonna be easy to look at, to read it for performance. Let me correct that a little bit because sometimes pencil doesn't work well. Number 3, put a quarter note and a 4/8 note in the third measure. 1 quarter note and then 4/8 note. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm gonna put them like that. Number 4, put 2/8 note and quarter note and 2/8 note. So 2, G, A, C, and then I'm gonna write 2 more eighth note like this. And then number 5, write a beat under each note that you just written. So I'm gonna write 1 and 2 and 3, 1 and 2 and 3. And remember, you may not have the same answer as mine. If the question asks you to compose your own choice. But here, this one is, it should be the same. 1 and 2, 3, and that's the end of lesson 21.